Now I am going to demonstrate the Embetronics Touch Keypad functionality. The Embetronics Touch Keypad works from range of 3.3 volt to 5 volt and it has I2C, SPA, GPIO interface to the MCU board. There will be one LED which will indicate the touch detections made by the user. For demonstration purpose, the touch keypad will be connected to Atmel MCU. Atmel MCU board is powered from USB. Touch keypad will be powered from Atmel MCU board. The GPIO interface were selected so that each touch output will be separate GPIO pins. GPIO output will be sensed by Atmel MCU. Valid touch will be sent as a pulse to the MCU. MCU will detect the pulse and indicate via LED blink. The same will be displayed on the terminal. So now I am going to demonstrate the Embetronics Touch Keypad functionality. The touch keypad board will automatically calibrate even if there is a dirt or water or droplets on the touch surface, as well as runtime calibration will be performed. Touch keypad has 5 touch keys named as key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4, key 5 from right to left. The touch keys will be in square shape and touch surface will be in circular shape. There are 2 mounting holes to place the board on top of the panel. If the user touches the touch surface on the pad, it will be immediately sensed. The LED will be on. If the user removes the hand from the touch surface, the LED will be off. The response of the touch will be faster and quicker than the mechanical buttons. Touch will be detected in few milliseconds or less than 5 milliseconds, and the output of the corresponding touchpad will be sent to the MCU through GPIO, and the MCU board will have a LED and that will blink for the sensed key, and the corresponding sensed key will be printed on the terminal when it is touched. I am going to demonstrate how does the runtime calibration works on the Embetronics Touch Keypad. Now I am going to pour some water on the touchpad and we'll see how auto calibration works. Power will not be disconnected while pouring the water droplets on the board. Now we can see there are some droplets on the touch surface. With that I am going to touch the touch surface, but key is still sensed and the LED is toggled. Changes in the static capacitance are automatically compensated through continuous runtime auto calibration. I am going to demonstrate Embetronics Touch Keypad by using gloves. Here I have taken the gloves with the thickness of about 2 to 3 mm. Now I am going to touch the touch key surface with the glove. Based on the presence of touch and the capacitance in the touch surface, the LED will be on by its direction, which performs automatic runtime calibration. Now I am going to press all the 5 keys on the touch surface of the board with gloves. The touches will be sensed immediately and adjust the static capacitance, which will be calibrated accordingly. Even if we slide to touch surface with a glove, it will immediately calibrate the touches succeedingly. This capacitance touch mode works even in the presence of dirt, water droplets and the presence of gloves. There are numerous advantages over mechanical buttons, like no mechanical movements needed, faster response than mechanical buttons, low cost compared to mechanical buttons, low maintenance required, no worry for moisture, corrosion or oxidation, and a shorter time to market.